All the power. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh wow, real deal. Yeah, that helps the cabin pressure.
A lot.
Yeah.
A lot. Taking the back off of the seat did too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
They kind of covered a port up.
Yeah.
It's definitely. My friends, they call it seat to sack the tractor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some really big roundovers on this port.
Definitely. They're gonna get bigger too.
Yeah.
I plan on tuning lower. I mean, it's a fourth order and it's tuned to 30. I want to be tuned
Wow.
like 25, bro.
For a fourth, that's wild. Wow. So your name real quick while you find it, what's in here, man?
Matt McIntosh, Team Forbidden Fabrication.
Okay. Awesome. These are ZV618s?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Big magnets.
Dual twos, I've got 2 amps per coil.
Oh, so there was 8 of them back there.
There's 8.
I counted 8. I was like, wow. Wow. All the power.
I've got 8 amp bridge and 1 right now.
Oh my gosh. That sounds a little dangerous. Yeah. Okay. Nice. It's a big, is that a 12?
That's a 12.
Wow. Genius Audio 8.
Genius 10, Soundbridge 12.
Okay. Are you pulling off or are you going to play right now?
I'm gonna play right now.
All right, let's go. All right. I'm ready. Let's go. not sitting in the seat. I don't know if you ever heard someone say that before.
Definitely. Honestly, I'm going to get set a little bit.
Oh yeah. Loaded off of that door is a lot of pressure. Nice to meet you again, Matt. You too. That's awesome.
Hell yeah.
You always try to get as loud as you can with them 2 subs, man.
Look, I've got 8 and 3 and 1 right now.
Oh my gosh. That sounds a little dangerous. Yeah. All right, Matt. You have a good day. You too. Let me get a picture real quick. Wow. Have a good day.